Hi everybody, welcome back. Crypto trade of the day. Ripple is on the menu today because we've had a nice breakout that was confirmed with the weekly close confirmation. So that's a big deal, you know. It's a milestone. We've been waiting for that breakout, and we got it just yesterday. Now we think price action has a lot of potential at this point to continue on this upside trajectory and go all the way up to the next big resistance level, 68.62. And you can see once we got that breakout confirmed, that's where we pull the trigger. I want to show you the big picture from the monthly perspective. It's quite interesting. I mean, price action has been trading sideways ever since late 2023, back and forth. It was on the way up, for the last few months, got really close to the ups, to the upper section, but missed it multiple times. I think this time it will, it will close the distance and finish up that move. We're starting off small with just 25k here, ready to double up our position size. But before we do that, and this is the daily chart, you can see the distance to 68.62 here. It's quite a lot of distance, right? Yeah, that would be kind of a medium-term type of trading opportunity. Now, before we jump in with more aggressively increasing our position size, we want to make sure price action is going to close the day today positively, and then we can throw in the second trade. Otherwise, we need to rely on 57.93 to provide that support we're gonna need here, right? Even though stop loss level is pretty far at 51, nevertheless, we're counting on 57.93 and 54.71 to provide enough support. So if price actions go into a technical correction, that's where you would expect it to pick up that support from, right? So it might go back a little bit to test 57.93 and then come back up stronger, or it might go deeper and try to test 54.71 and pick up support from that point, and then starts to turn around and start hammering upwards. So we're gonna have to wait with this, be patient, and wait for that moment to potentially double up our position size, right? So if pricing is going to try to test one of these two levels, we're going to try to time it properly and double down on our position. Like I said, target is pretty ambitious, right? We got a long way to go, so we're going to have ample opportunities to pick up the pace and increase the position size, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. We got our stop loss level, like I said, 51. That's just the initial stop loss level. Obviously, once we get that more traction here on the way up, we'll start to trail our stop loss level accordingly. That's the game plan. We'll come back to this one. Ripple, new bullish campaign for us. The market is definitely rallying in the last few days. I do believe it may just be the warm-up stage, and this trend will even accelerate beyond what we've seen so far. All right, guys, that's about that for the day. Enjoy the rest of it. We're going to see you tomorrow. Take care.